Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on your Instagram stories. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Instagram app on your phone. And once you are on Instagram, tap on the story on which you wanted to turn off the comments. On your specific story, tap on the three dots and you will see option of turn off commenting. Just tap on it. And now you won't see comments on this specific story. But if you want to turn off comments for your future stories also, so for that what you have to simply do is to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then tap on the three lines at the top right. And once you are in the settings menu, you have to simply scroll down and you will see option of comments. Just tap on it. And now tap on stories. Okay, so now if you want to turn off comments for your future stories, simply select off. And that's it. You have successfully turned off comments for your Instagram stories. Now you can share your moments without worrying about unwanted replies. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.